Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi with tuna. First, let's prepare the perfect sushi rice, which is the foundation of any great roll. Begin by thoroughly rinsing 2 cups of sushi rice until the water is completely clear. Then cook it with precisely 2 and 1/4 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoned mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature, ensuring it's ready for rolling. Next, we focus on the star ingredient, the tuna. Always choose fresh, sushi-grade tuna for superior taste and safety. Carefully slice the tuna into uniform strips, aiming for about 1/4 inch in thickness, ensuring each piece fits perfectly into your roll. Now, place a sheet of nori, the shiny side facing down, onto your bamboo rolling mat. Remember to moisten your hands slightly to prevent the sticky rice from adhering to them. Now for the assembly. Take a small amount of your prepared sushi rice and spread a thin, even layer over approximately 2/3 of the nori sheet. Make sure to leave about 1 inch of the nori bare at the top edge. This will help seal the roll. Carefully arrange your sliced tuna strips horizontally near the bottom edge of the rice. Feel free to add other complementary fillings, such as thin strips of cucumber or creamy avocado, for extra flavor and texture. Finally, the moment of truth, rolling and slicing. Starting from the bottom edge, begin to roll your bamboo mat forward, applying gentle, even pressure to create a tight, compact roll. Once you reach the bare nori edge, moisten it slightly with water to seal the roll securely. Using a very sharp, damp knife, slice your finished sushi roll into 6 to 8 equal bite-sized pieces. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.